If you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain. What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, as usual, this is going to be a get ready with me. But today, we are going to be using as much of the products as we can from the September Boxycharm right here. So I got this in the mail yesterday. I've already peeked inside, just saying. So I already have majority of my makeup done because I peeked inside, so I know what we're going to be using today. So if you want to know what's inside of my Boxycharm for the month of September, then keep on watching. In the September Boxycharm, well, with all Boxycharms, okay, first of all, if you have not heard about the Boxycharm, it is a monthly subscription where you pay $21 and you get about 4 to 5 full-size products that retail for an estimated $100 to $150, you know, depending on the box, depending on the month. So let's see what our card says this month. So it says Boxycharm All Access. So this is what the card looks like right here. So this is what the card looks like right here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And I've got variation number 1. So it has like a number 1 right here with a heart. So let's see what we got. We got this is the Dr. BRANDT Hydra Biotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. So, a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin, naturally occurring flora, and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. And this retails for $52. So that's more than 2 Boxycharms, like 2 Boxycharms and a half. Yes, we got that. And as usual, like I did in my first Boxycharm, I'm gonna list all the products and their prices and the estimated value of the entire box. Okay. Next, we got the Hank and Henry Slick With It, and this is the BLICKITY Black Eyeliner, and this retails for $20. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. This formula is extremely long wearing and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. So we'll be using this, of course. I got, oh yes, and this retails for $20. I got the MODA Pro 5-piece deluxe eye kit. MODA Pro takes MODA to the next level. This line features superior quality filaments and modern professional shapes. This retails for $27.95. That is a weird number. $27.95. Oh, okay. So we got the $1 Billion Brow Microblading Effect Brow Pen. This brow pen mimics the look of actual brow hairs to get a great microblade effect without the blade. Oh, okay, cool. And this retails for $18, so we'll be going in with this first so we can get the brows together. And last but not least, we got the VOSS Essentials Pro Series Eyeshadow Palette, and this retails for $29. But it's so pretty. Ooh, looky. So this is what the palette looks like right here. Has some pretty like purples, pinks, this pretty green right here. Always like good to have like a nice black and brown right here. So let's get into it. But first, I'm gonna go in with the brow pencil. I'm such a weirdo. I'm so weird. Oh my gosh. Work. So this is what the pencil looks like. It's like, looks like a little hand. Let's see how this works. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start like usual, like right here. Not bad. It feels wet though. That was pretty easy. And then I'm gonna use like the little hand part to fill in. It feels so like wet. I don't know how I like that texture, but I mean, I like what it's doing to the brow. I just don't like that my brow feels wet. You know what I mean? Then I'm just gonna flick upwards really gently. So I think I need a spoolie. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so I grabbed my Anastasia spoolie because I need a spoolie just to disperse some of this product, because like I don't want it to look inky, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is one brow done. Like, it doesn't look bad, but it looks like I've never had my brows microbladed. I've seen people who had their brows microbladed before. It's very aggressive for me, but I'm not mad at it. It just feels like I have something on my brows. Like, okay, how it feels is like, you know when you put on a face mask and then the face mask is wet and then it starts to dry, so like you feel it like tightening up? That's how it feels. Like, I feel like there's something in my brow. We're gonna do the next one and then move on. Okay, so these are what the brows look like, and these are as good as they're gonna get, because right now I feel like I have on an eyebrow mask because it's so liquidy that it feels wet when it's going on, and then when it dries I just feel like I have brows on. You know what I mean? Like, I feel it. I know I wear brows every day, but this time I can like feel brows. You know what I mean? I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. I think I have to get used to the fact that I feel like I got tape on brows, you know? But okay, let's move on to the next item, which is going to be the eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using the brushes from MODA today to complete the eye. Ooh, I love the handle. They're like rigid, kinda. Oh, that's so cool. And then it comes with like 5 brushes. So these are what the brushes look like right here. So you have your like crease brush right here, your little like definer brush right here, you have a buffer right here, you got like an angled brush, and you have like this nice packing blending brush kind of like right here. So I'm going to be using these brushes today. I think I have an idea in mind because I do, well, is this black or brown? Okay, this is black. Okay, so I think I have an idea. Okay, so I'm going to take, do they have numbers? No? Yes. The BMX 430 crease brush right here, and I'm going to go in with sand right here. I'm going to go out. Just going to go in with sand. So this is my first time using any Violet VOSS shadows. So chop out the excess, and I'm going to take sand into my crease area right here. So it's not really showing up. Okay, so to darken up the crease, I'm going to go in with terracotta right here. This nice orangey shade. Okay, Okay, so to darken it even more, I'm gonna go in with Cinnamon, the nice brown shade right here, because I'm not getting the payoff that I want from terracotta and sand. So I'm gonna pick up Cinnamon and I'm gonna run that in the crease area only, like right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with the first brush I use and take that orange shade terracotta and just go over that, what I just did. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with that crease brush. I'm gonna take Cinnamon and I'm gonna pop that on the outer corner, like right here, and blend it up into the crease. It's coming together slowly, slowly. I wish the colors were a bit more pigmented, but they're workable. I just wish they had a lot more pigment to them, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna take, I want to take a shimmer, but this green has been like calling my name since I opened it. So let's see how it looks. It's in the shade Emerald. Oh, that's pretty. I wonder if I can go in with my finger. Ooh, now that's pigmented. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my finger then and just pop that on the lid. That's pretty. I like that. Oh, that's a pretty green. That's pretty. I like that. That is pretty. Okay, I like the shimmers, guys. I love the shimmers. I love the shimmers. Okay, so I'm gonna go back in with terracotta and cinnamon mixed, and I'm gonna run that. What the heck? Get off my brush! And I'm gonna take that into the crease right here. Yes. Love that. So next I'm gonna go in with, I guess, the same brush, and I want to pick up this black right here and just darken that outer corner. I'm gonna take it up really lightly because I don't know how pigmented the black is gonna be. I'm just gonna pop that on the outer corner. Right there. Okay, I am seeing a bit of a patch right here. I don't know if you guys, if the camera's picking it up, but like right here. It's like not sticking well. Okay, I just want to blend that green because it got covered up by some of that, the matte shades that we put down. Okay, so I'm gonna go in now. I haven't done wing liner in so long, so I'm gonna take the Hank and Henry Blickety Black eyeliner. Whew, help me, help me. Oh, it's not bad. This is how it looks right here. I swatched it. So I'm gonna try and attempt a wing, you guys. I haven't done a wing in so long. Okay, that's not bad. Let me just fill in the front part. It's not going over well with the shimmer. This is just how it's gonna have to be, guys. Okay, so next side. That one was so much better. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one alone. And I'm gonna clean up this one in a second. But I wanna finish my lower lash line first. Okay, so So I'm gonna take the BMX 420 and I'm gonna take Cinnamon on my lower lash line. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up some of the black and just do like the outer portion of, like right here. Okay, so I'm going to apply my mascara and the lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so let me give you the quick rundown while my face is drying. Eyeshadow palette, I love the shimmers. The mattes could be a little bit more pigmented and creamier, but they're okay. They're buildable, but I needed a little bit more pigment on the mattes. The shimmers were pretty good, even though I only swatched one, which is the green I'm wearing, but I still love the shimmers. The shimmers are so good. The liquid liner, I like it. I haven't done a liquid liner in so long, like a wing liner, so it's weird to see myself with a wing, but I won't fly away or anything, but I like it. I like it. It's good. The liquid liner pen works. I like it. I like it. The brushes performed as all brushes should. I have no problem with them. They felt really good while holding them, nice and sturdy, really good quality. The brushes are a go. The eyebrow microblading pen. I'm not gonna lie, my brows look pretty good. They look pretty good. I just had to get over the fact that they felt wet, and when they dried, they felt like tight. I felt like I had a mask on my eyebrows. But other than that, I think this box was a pretty good box to try out. I've never tried any of these products before, so it was something very new to me. But I'll give the palette another try. I'll give everything another try. So yeah, this is the final look, you guys. What do you think? I'm in love with this green. I'm sorry. I love the green. So if you have not entered my giveaway, I will leave the video up here so you can check that out and know how to enter the giveaway. It ends on September 12th. The deadline to enter is September 12th, and the winner will be announced on Friday the 13th. So please, please, please enter, subscribe, like this channel, like this video, like my 100 subscriber video, like all my videos. Subscribe, be a part of the family that I'm trying to create here on YouTube. And without further ado, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.